Hello, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And for my subscriber, I say thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. I see everything. I appreciate very much. Thank you. Today, I'll be cooking cremini beans. Cremini beans is originated from Ethiopia. Yes, you see the beans. It's very hard, very strong beans, stubborn, so it does not get soft on time. First of all, you soak. I soak my beans for 3 hours, but you can soak it overnight, or if you have a pressure pot, you can cook direct to minimize your time and to make it cook fast. So this was after 3 hours. I use this method because the beans is very hard. It does not get cooked on time. This cremini beans can also be used for salad. So after soaking it, you change the water and put clean water. See, after soaking for 3 hours, so have a boiling water, put your water on the pot, and put the beans inside to cook. You cook for 1 hour 30 minutes, but if it's pressure pot, it won't take time. At least 1 hour or 45 minutes. The beans is already soft. So after cooking, you change the water again. And see the way the water is thick, so you have to remove the water. Also, you remove some chemical that were used to preserve it. So you just put clean water again. Add the seasoning cube, maggi, add salt, add your sliced red onions. This period is where you add everything because this is the final cooking. So add your fresh pepper. This fresh pepper is very hot, so I'm using it very little. But if you are that type that love pepper, you can add more pepper. Palm oil. You can also use olive oil if you have olive oil. Or if you have groundnut oil, you can use groundnut oil. But I don't know why most time I prefer using palm oil to cook. This tomatoes is already blended. If you want to see some of the measurements, please check the description box. So you cook for 10 minutes again. Add sweet corn. Add your Titus fish, sardine. Man, this beans was yummy. Oh. A little so that you have a little thick water. that is not cooked. It's cooked. Add a green, red, yellow pepper if you have. If you don't have, okay too. Cook for some few minutes. Heavy, you know why? So that we will have a little thick water, but it won't be thick because the beans is not that kind of beans that easily get melted. It's not melted. So sometimes most people use it for salad. It's almost ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Ready. Thank you for watching.